Hi everyone, Greg Davis down here at the MarineMax in Savannah. Wanted to give you a quick look at a 15-foot Montauk that just arrived. This customer ordered it in the glacier green with the white graphics. Comes with a 60-horse Mercury galvanized trailer. I'll give you a quick look inside. They opted for no live well, which opens the back up. It is available with a live well. Give you a look at the helm here. They have the Axiom Raymarine 7-inch Fusion stereo, the J&L speakers. If you look inside, it's pre-wired for a trolling motor. Everything's nice, easy to get to. They did put the bow cushion, trolling motor panel on the front. There is storage anchor locker up under that. Fishing package includes that cooler seat, the backrest, compass. This one has a spare tire on the trailer ready to go. They did do the bimini top. Part of the fishing package is the small tackle box here, and then convenient live fire extinguisher holder below. Low rail package, 60-horse Mercury, 12-gallon fuel tank. Great little creek boat for fishing and exploring in this area. If you'd like more information on this model or any model that MarineMax sells, feel free to contact us here in Savannah.